what's up? What's up, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter? What's up? What's up? Making another video for you. Thank you for always watching and watching my stupid videos and always saying what's up. Kudos. Yeah, just drinking my mixed drink right here, ready to fucking have a smoke sesh, even though I shouldn't be smoking cigarettes. Say no to smoking cigarettes or whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna do a freestyle for you guys in a couple seconds. Give me a second. I just gotta look for the song. Give me a second. Minute. Alright. Say no to drugs. Alright. Yo. Now bob your hands up in the air. Listen to what I got to say. You might learn something from me, from my past. You're gonna know what's going on. Hey little people, hey big people, hey skinny people. What's up? My name is G-A-B-B. Why spell it out? Gabby is the name, yes. Listen up, this is the Grizzly Bear, G-R-I-Z-Z-L-Y. That's right, spell it out. Y'all ready for this shit? I'm ready to get twisted up, pump it up, live it up, fuck it up, toke it up. That's what we do every other of a fucking weekend. That's how we do it every time you listen to the Grizzly Bear. You might learn something from my past. Yo, as I grew up, I was a good kid, always in my shell, all bottled up. Never had a word to say, but then I said I had enough. That's when I say, fuck that shit, I'ma tear it up. These kids be fucking acting stupid, and I just said, fuck you little fuckers. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say. That's when I started to being a bully myself. That wasn't the coolest. I started get detention, suspension. Wasn't the coolest. Then I started to be on the bad list, kid. Getting on this bad rap, it wasn't the coolest. I was being such a brat, it was so much crap. No, I be going down the block, and it wasn't coolest. Yeah. Yo, that's right, Grizzly Bear. Yeah, listen up. Yo, yes. Always getting myself in so much trouble. That wasn't cool. It was like a little puzzle connecting from one block to another. One step, two step, here I go. Just when I told myself I like women. That's right, representing LGBT. That's what we do, and we do it all night, every other fucking weekend. I be going down and partying all night and drinking it up, meeting fine women. Hey little girl, not little girl, woman. Yeah, I said, hey, what's up, girl? I want your number. You said no. I said, okay. I go walk away, and I mean you be nice, fine woman, a little lady. I'm gonna talk to them, then get their number. Oh yes, there's plenty of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections. Here I go, and I keep going. I don't give a fuck because there's plenty of women in the sea.